Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can install plugin in our website. Here we go to the localhost slash and tech blog, and here we go to the user page, to the dashboard where we can install the plugin. We have two ways to install the plugins. The first one is here in the plugin options we have installed plugins. We shall go there, and here are showing the activated plugins, and we can add new. Here we have a lot of already appeared plugins here. The classic editor is one of them. We can install it and we can search the host any of the plugin and we can install it. Every plugin has a different interface and we can install them differently. Most of the ways familiar and similar, but they have different options because their functionalities are different. So here we go and we shall install it. I will be telling you another way to install any plugin. Here we are. It is being installed. Now it is activated. How many plugins we have? Here we have classic editor and Yoast. It is activated and enable. We are going to activate the plugin Yoast. Every plugin have different functionalities, so here we go. It is being processed. So here we are going to configure the Yoast SEO, search engine optimization. The functionality of this plugin is how we can optimize our blog. So here we go, start first time configuration, and it is asking us to continue. Yes. This feature includes and replace text link counter and internal linking analysis. Be aware that you should run the SEO data optimization for this configuration to take maximum effect. Yes, we shall continue it, and here we can have two options: a person or organization. The web is official, so we are going to choose this, and website name is tech blog and organization name is tech blog. And we didn't have any logo yet, but we can select any logo and put it that here, save and continue, and yes. Please be aware that you need to fill out all settings in this step to get the most value out of structured data. Yes. Social profile, we didn't have any social profile yet, but we can put a Facebook link here, Twitter link here, and we can add another profile that will be LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram, and YouTube. Anything could work here. Right now I'm gonna delete it, and I didn't have any other social media platform for this website related to this website, but we can have any of them and we can save and continue that. Personal preference, no, don't track my site data. Yes, you can track. Right now, no, you cannot track our site data. So here is the option, and here we have to put the email address, and then we can sign it up, save and continue. Right now I'm not gonna do that. It is just to show you from where and which information you have to put, and then finish the configuration. Learn how to get the most out of the Yoast. And that is it. How it works is SEO for everyone. We can see the products, so learn SEO, we can blog, change the blog setting, we can seek help, and here is the community. This is about the use, how it works, how we can pay, and how we can use it, the free version of it. And here we go. We can get used SEO premium version, and afterwards we can also edit all of them. Now our used is activated, is ready to work. And another plugin was the classic editor. We can activate it as well. It is right now it is deactivated, but this one is, we can activate it and activate this one also. So here we go. I was telling you about how we can install our plugins. So that was for today. In the next video, hope to see you again with another amazing thing, and with another amazing functionalities of technology. So that was for today. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe our channel.